Ghost Foundation is a 16-year-old organization. We support upcoming athletes like you, and our goal is to develop how to develop the upcoming athletes across India. So right now we have over 200 plus athletes across different states in India. Right now we have eight high performance academies across six different sports. It's been a great pleasure to support Mery Boxing Foundation, especially considering the work we see here. And so it's our pleasure to have you here, and we look forward to you performing in the trials. As an athlete, you would need not just like in terms of training performance, but you also need support in terms of nutrition, in terms of coaching, in terms of with partnership with the foundation, with the academy. We would love to support you. Give your best.
Support totally. Yeah, we are privileged. We are grateful to Anirban, who have been partnered, and he's been always. So before we just go to our trial, then we will proceed with the three words for the parents and the kids.
아, 본 당연히. 그냥 딱 그래.